Hello, Hofstra community. We are the Birds. You may have seen us swarming around the towers at night, terrorizing the campus with our numbers. But we're doing this for a reason. As Speaker of the Flock, I accompany humans with the man. We, the Birds, want to be educated as well. We are sick and tired of this discrimination. How do I tell my little bird son, Cornflake, that he can't have his dream job as a professional snake milker without a college degree? We want to learn to be doctors, lawyers, and production assistants in student-run shows only our parents will watch. So, until we get that, we will be everywhere. We will terrorize your residence halls. We will camouflage ourselves into the leaves of the trees. And most importantly, we will everywhere. We will on your cars. We will on your benches. We will already so much on the sidewalk it just looks like it is dying at this point. Until the hostile community responds, we will take action. Watch out! You could be next.